To replace this outer door handle, open the door and you'll see a little cap here. Pop this cover off. Inside you will see a T30 Torx bolt. Go ahead and remove that. Take that out. With that out, you can pull the door lock away. This stays in here. Now take the door handle, pull it straight back towards the edge of the door. And remove it. Take the new handle, line it up, press it back that way, and take the new door lock cover, slide that on, make sure it all lines up. Without dropping it, start in the bolt and snug it up, and put this cap back on. Now test out your new door handle.